understand how you can't just tell.
It was an error in our judgments.
And in our defense, you were never supposed to find out about, well, you.
Well, I did. This is completely unethical. What are you going to do about the clone?
There lies the problem. If we cannot tell the difference between either of you, then, well,
Then what?
Then nothing. We do not yet know how to solve this problem, but we shall calculate a way.
How about I make it real simple for you? I'm the real Alex, and the other Alex is the clone you made.
it's not that simple.
Well, make it simple. You're the ones who created it. Just uncreate it.
But we do not know which one is the clone.
So, that's your plan.
You have to be kidding.
Let me get this straight. You're going to kill the clone, but you don't know which one of us is real.
That's not what we said.
Well, it sounded exactly like that to me.
You need to stay calm.
Are you being serious? Stay calm? You're threatening me with death.
Nobody is threatening you with death.
I would like to say I believe you, but I don't. What right do you have to do this to me?
We have every right.
Here. You signed the contract. It says it in the small print.
Oh, come on. Nobody reads the small print.
There is only one way to find a real human.
Quick fire round. Who's your favorite band?
Coldplay.
Favorite food?
Pickles.
Favorite animal?
Unicorn, obviously.
Dream holiday?
Peppa Pig Land, obviously.
What is your favorite sport?
Quidditch.
First pet's name?
Billy Bulldozer Bob.
They are perfect.
In every way.
What does that mean?
You are identical.
Is that not the point of one of us being a clone?
You are both clones. Perfect in every way.
But I'm clone one. And you're clone two.
Maybe not every way.
Would you like to tell me where you were on the evening of the 26th of July?
I don't remember. I think I was at home.
Now it is really important you tell me where you were.
What's it to you where I was? I don't have to tell you anything. I tell you what. You tell me why I'm here, and I'll tell you where I was.
Do I know you? You seem familiar.
Just answer the question.
You answer the question.
Look, I'm not the one under suspicion here.
What is this place, anyways? It seems a strange place to be questioned. Are you sure I don't know you?
You were seen outside Crossfield Park. We have witnesses.
Witnesses to what exactly?
Were you there on the 26th of July?
There's a very good chance I passed by it. Do you want to tell me what happened?
Someone was murdered. Seems like it could have been an accident, but still. It's murder.
And you think I had something to do with it? I was at home. I'm telling you, I was at home with my mom. She can verify that.
Accident?
Does that surprise you?
No. Why would it? How do you know if something is an accident or if someone meant to do it?
Well, that's my thoughts exactly. I suppose only the perpetrator or perpetrators can really know.
And you think me and possibly others have something to do with someone that was murdered a few nights ago? I really can't place it. You seem so familiar.
I didn't say a few nights ago.
Yes, you did. You said 26th of July. Now I'm no scholar, but today's 28, which would make 26 a few nights ago.
26th of July doesn't bring up any memories.
I don't understand. Should it?
Should it?
So I'm asking. You're confusing me. I was home with my mum. Call her now.
If not a few nights ago, then when?
You tell me.
This is ridiculous. I don't know what sort of game you're playing, but I want a lawyer before I say anything else.
You must have something to hide.
I haven't got anything to hide.
What's in the envelope?
Take a look. Don't be scared. Oh.
Please. I didn't mean to. Please.
It was an accident.
I think I'm going to need that lawyer.
You'll get no lawyer here.
I knew I recognized you. You're no copper. You're his brother.
Enjoy your stay.
Do you realise that you are trespassing on private property?
This is private. No one told me.
What exactly were you all doing in here?
Nothing. We just wanted to know if the stories about this place were true.
What kind of stories?
Ghost stories.
You do realise that I could call the police and have you all arrested?
Please don't. My parents would kill me.
Please don't call the police. We won't do it again. I promise. It wasn't even my idea.
Okay. So, whose idea was it?
It wasn't my idea. I have no idea whose idea it was. I just came along. This is a bit much if you ask me.
Whose idea was it?
It was Billy's idea. I just wanted to go to the park.
That's always going about this place. We always said no. And today we gave in and now we're going to jail.
It was Dan's and Billy's idea. I just came along from the ride. I'm not a bad kid. I'm a law-abiding citizen. Well, apart from tonight,
I have no idea whose idea it was. I'm glad somebody came up with it. I love myself a good play date.
What do you think I should do with you?
Give us a guided tour. I take that silence as a no.
I think you should look deep into your heart and realize there's a bunch of stupid kids that deserve a second chance.
let all three of us go without a warning.
I think you're being incredibly judgmental. You do a lot worse stuff in here than us.
Honestly, I don't know which one of them spoke to like that, but I can only apologize.
Must be Billy. She's got a big mouth. Jackie would never speak to anyone like that.
How dare you speak to me like that?
I'll speak to you how I wish.
I just want to apologize on the behalf of all three of us.
But there's 4 of you.
No, there's 3 of us. Unless you're including yourself, then there would be 4.
Counting isn't the strong point, is it? I see now why you're the security guard.
What do you mean for?
Wait, the stories are true.